Breast sagging is a natural part of life, often caused by factors like aging, weight changes, pregnancy, and gravity. Symptoms include looser, less toned skin and a shift in shape. But don't worry, you don't need expensive treatments to restore firmness. With a few easy, natural methods, you can lift and firm your breasts from home, and the results will surprise you. Let's explore how you can bring back that youthful perkiness. Hello, lovely viewer. Welcome back to Essential Cures. Number 1. Give yourself regular chest massages. Massaging your breasts helps stimulate blood flow and improve elasticity. Use natural oils like olive oil, coconut oil, or almond oil. Warm a little oil in your hands and massage in circular motions, moving upwards. This simple habit, even just 5 to 10 minutes a day, can help improve firmness over time, plus it's incredibly relaxing. Number 2. Ice it up for a quick lift. It sounds strange, but ice massages can temporarily firm up sagging breasts. Cold temperatures cause the tissue to contract, giving a tighter appearance. Here's how. Wrap a few ice cubes in a cloth. Gently massage around each breast for about a minute or two. Dry yourself and immediately wear a supportive bra to hold the lifted shape. It's a quick fix, but doing it regularly can contribute to longer-term firmness. Number 3. Feed your skin from within. Your skin needs collagen and elastin to stay firm. Eating a diet rich in a vitamin C, oranges, strawberries. A protein, chicken, eggs, beans. Healthy fats, avocados, nuts, can really help your skin and breast tissue stay strong. Staying hydrated is also crucial. Water keeps your skin plump and youthful. Number 4. Exercise your way to perkiness. One of the fastest and most effective natural ways to lift sagging breasts is to strengthen the muscles underneath them, mainly the pectoral muscles. You don't need fancy gym equipment. Simple moves can make a big difference. Here are 2 powerful exercises. Push-ups. Start with a few each day, even if it's just 5 or 10. Push-ups work the chest muscles, shoulders, and arms, helping to naturally lift the breast tissue. Chest presses. Lie on your back with a water bottle or light weight in each hand. Raise your arms straight up and then slowly lower them out to your sides, like you're making a big wide hug, and lift them again. Repeat 10 to 15 times. These exercises tighten the foundation that holds your breasts, making them appear higher and firmer. Number 5. Wear the right bra, always. Support is key. A well-fitting bra lifts the breasts and keeps the ligaments from stretching further. If your bra is too loose or too tight, it can actually make sagging worse over time. Get professionally measured if you can, or check that your bra lifts you without squeezing or leaving red marks. Sports bras are also a must during workouts. Bouncing without support can stretch the skin and tissue quickly. Number 6. Practice good posture. It may seem small, but the way you stand and sit makes a big difference. Slouching lets gravity do its worst. Standing tall with your shoulders back instantly makes your breasts look perkier, and over time, it prevents unnecessary sagging. Sagging breasts are a natural part of life, but that doesn't mean you have to accept them without a fight. With a little dedication, some daily exercises, massages, proper support, and good habits, you can lift, firm, and love your body even more, all without stepping outside your home or spending a fortune. The best part? These methods don't just help your breasts, they boost your overall confidence and self-care too. And that's the real glow-up. Click on this video to know more about cellulite and how to reduce its appearance naturally at home. Wish you all the best, and see you on the other side.